I'm Andrew Edwards and you're watching Gear Live. I just got back from San Francisco where Sonos announced its brand new soundbar, the Sonos Beam. Sonos says it is the most versatile smart soundbar in the world, and in this episode I'm gonna tell you all about it. What's going on, Tech Squad? Andrew Edwards here, editor-in-chief of GearLive.com. If this is your first time here, this channel is all about tech, gadgets, and gaming. So if you're into that kind of stuff, feel free to hit the subscribe button down below, along with the bell notification icon so you don't miss any future videos. Like I said, the Sonos Beam was announced just a couple days ago in San Francisco. I was there on hand to get a look at the device and also get some demos hearing it, because that's really what it's all about. And in this video, I just want to give you a rundown of what to expect and why you might want to pick one up for yourself. Now, if you've been watching me for a while, you probably know Sonos is one of my favorite technology gadget brands in the world. It's probably top 3 for me, actually. I've been using Sonos products for about 15 years. It's been a long time. Sonos already has 2 soundbar products. They've got the Sonos Playbar, which was the first one, $699, really good sound, really good bass, lots of speakers. There's also the Play Bass. The Play Bass is a different form factor from the Playbar, but also similar, nice, big sounds. But the difference there is the Play Bass is newer and therefore will support Apple's AirPlay 2 in July. That one also costs $699. So the Playbar and the Play Bass, same price. The new kid on the block is the Sonos Beam. It's a smaller soundbar, $399 is the cost. It will support Apple AirPlay 2, and it also has voice control built in. And it's not Sonos's own voice control, it's actually Amazon Alexa that's built in. It will also be controllable with Siri, and they're gonna add Google Assistant in the future. So with the Sonos Beam, you're actually getting 3 great products in one. And let me explain what I mean by that. First, you're getting a Sonos smart speaker featuring Amazon Alexa. It connects to your TV using a single HDMI cable plugged into the audio return channel of your TV, letting you pair your remote control and then allowing you to use your voice to control the TV's features. So since Alexa's built in and you're connected through the audio return channel and HDMI CEC, that just means the HDMI device can talk to the TV and vice versa. You can ask Alexa to do things like turn on your TV, turn the volume down, turn off your TV. Or if you have a smart set-top box like an Amazon Fire TV, ask it to bring up whatever show you want to stream. So that is the smart speaker portion of the feature set. Number 2, you get a soundbar that packs more than enough punch for most rooms and can be paired up with other Sonos devices to do 5.1 surround sound. So the Sonos Beam supports 3-channel sound. You can put a pair of Sonos 1s, a pair of Sonos Play 3s, or a pair of Sonos Play 5s in the back, giving you 2 channels in the rear. And you can also pair up a Sonos sub, giving you true 5.1 surround sound. You can place the Beam on furniture or pick up the custom designed wall mount to put it on a wall. The Sonos Beam has a couple of features to enhance TV and movie watching, like speech enhancement to increase dialogue clarity, and night mode, which will keep the louder noises at bay. So it'll make sure you can still hear people's voices, but any loud explosions or whatever won't be waking up the kids. And last, you're getting an amazing Sonos device. This could be the one device you need for all your music and streaming content in the living room. Like all other Sonos speakers, the Beam is part of the Sonos home surround sound system, meaning owners can easily integrate Beam into an existing multi-room setup. And being a Sonos device, the Beam, just like all others, supports currently, as of this video, 61 different music services. That's Apple Music, that's Google Play Music, that's Pandora, that's Spotify, that's TuneIn, that's Audible, Amazon Music, Apple Music, SoundCloud. Did I already say Apple? I don't know. There's a bunch. 61 different music services, all at the touch of a button or with the Sonos Beam at the command of your voice. The Sonos Beam is optimized for small to medium-sized rooms on its own, so if you want to fill a bigger space with Beam, like I mentioned earlier, you'll want to add in a couple of Sonos Play 1s or Play 3s as your rear channels. At the same event, Sonos also announced that it will be adding AirPlay 2 to its speakers, or at least to some of its newer speakers. We knew AirPlay 2 was coming to Sonos, but they made it a little more clear. So since Sonos Beam is the newest product, that one will definitely be getting AirPlay 2 support. So will the 2nd generation Sonos Play 5 and the Sonos Play Bass. What that means is you'll be able to control music playback from an Apple device like your Apple Macs or an iPhone or an iPad. You can use Siri to send music commands directly to the Sonos devices as well. And what's cool is if you have older Sonos devices that do not have AirPlay 2 built in. You only need one device that does have AirPlay 2 built in to give you access to your entire Sonos speaker ecosystem through AirPlay. The Sonos Beam is available in both black and white and costs $399. It's available right now for pre-order and it starts shipping on July 17th. If you want to pick one up, I will leave a link down in the description below to make it easy for you to find. There you have it, guys. That was your look at the new Sonos Beam. I'm actually very excited to get it in here, to get it reviewed, and to get you more content on this device. Any questions about it, drop them down in the comments below. I will meet you there for further discussion. Drop a like on this one if you enjoyed it. If you're a Sonos fan, let me know. And don't forget, if you haven't done it already, you can click or tap on my face here at the bottom of the screen in order to subscribe for free to the channel so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks so much for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andrew Edwards, and I will catch you in the next video.